Today we are discussing about the motion. We discussed already some chapters known as definition of motion and drift and differences between motion and rest with examples and next type of motion. These chapters we completed. Now today we are going to complete average speed, uniform and non-uniform, and numericals of the concepts. Today these three parts we are going to complete. Now first one, average speed. Average speed means I said an example. No, I asked what speed your dad go in your bike. You said my dad's speed is 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. Between 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. So your dad's average speed is 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. This is the example. This is the example and definition. Average speed. A speed that we take regular days is called as the average speed. This is average speed. What is average speed? A speed that we take regular days is called as average speed. Now average speed formula. Average speed formula when there is in question one speed. There is only one speed. Is equals to distance by time. This we all know. Now average speed is equals to when there is two or more speed, distance and time is called as the formula is when there is two or more speed, distance, time is there is sum of distance by sum of time. Now in average speed I will give an example. Now further when there is one speed. Now here my dad daily goes to office with the speed of 40. No, the total time to my dad goes to the office is half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. I will take one table of time, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Next, 1 week is equal to 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. Next, 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. And then 12 months is equal to 1 year. 1 year. And 100 years is equal to 10 years is equal to 1 decade. And next, 150 years is equal to 50 years is equal to half century. Half century. In cricket we know the cricket player do 50 runs, that is called as half century. Then 100 years is equals to century. When cricket players do the 100 runs, complete the 100 runs, that is called as century. Means they cross 1 means that this is a table of time. This is a table of time. Now, my home and my dad's office. My dad's office. My dad's office. My dad's office. The time taken is 30 minutes. The time taken is 30 minutes. Distance is 5 kilometers. Distance is 5 kilometers. Now, to calculate my dad's average speed, we should do, what is the formula? Average speed when there is one speed and one distance and one time is equals to distance by time. Distance by time. No, they are given distance and then time is 30 minutes. Now, the SI unit of speed is kilometer by hour. Kilometer by hour. Then here kilometer by minute is there. But what we should do to convert minutes to the hours. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 30 minutes is equals to how much? Now, we should do one thing. Here cut question mark and put one x. Put one x. Then we should multiply 60 into x. Means 60 into x. Means example 60 into 1, what we should do? 60 answer. Means 60 x is equals to 1 x is equals to 1x. X is equals to 1x. Means here x means 1x. We put a 1 and next 60 ones are is 60 and put here x means that is 60x. Next 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. What is a 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Then 60 minutes into 30 minutes. Then what is the answer? 6 3 are 18, 0 minutes. Means 60x is equal to 1800 minutes. Then x will be here only. The 60 will go here. Means here into. When this 60 go here, that will be become division. Means next point 800 by 60. 800 by 800 minutes by 60. By 60. Now 0 cancel and next 6 180. No, we don't convert this here. Here 1 only, 1 hour. 1 hour into 30 minutes, how much? We should cut minutes. 30 only. 30 minutes. Now, what should we do is 30 minutes. 30 minutes means here 10x is equals to 30 minutes. Here 60x hours. Means x will be here only 60 hours 30 minutes. 30 will cancel here. Means here 1 are 2 are. Means 1 by 2 minutes hour. Now we should add for one formula, that is 1.5 hour is equals to 30 minutes. 1.5 hour is equals to 30 minutes or 30 minutes is equals to 1.5 hour. This is the conversation. Means 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. And again what will be there? For waiting for me. Next 5 by how much we got? 1 by 2 hours. 1 by 2 hours. Then the 2 will goes to up. 2 will goes up. Goes to up. Goes to up. And 1 by 2 is 1 is there. That one will be down. Means 5 into 2 how much? 10. 10 by is equals to 1. Means 10 by 1 means 10. Here we should add one thing. 5 kilometers here. Means here kilometers. 1 by 2 hours. 1 by 2 hours. Means my dad's average speed is 10 kilometers per hour. This is one example of the average speed, where one speed, one distance. One distance, one time is there. Now, two or more distance toward more distance toward more speed toward more time is there. What we should do? Now, the formula is Now, same question. 30 minutes, 5 kilometers. Means we should add another thing. Means 7 kilometers, 40 minutes. I added 40 minutes. I added 1. Here what will be there? 2 times and the 2 distance. We have 2 times and 2 distance. This process have 2 formulas. That is, first we should do add of time and speed, and we should do division here. This is one method, and next method is first we will calculate this and next this and next add both this. This is another method. Means average speed when two or more distance and times is there. Speed is equals to speed 1 plus speed 2. Means this is called as speed 1. These two called as distance 1 and time 1. These two called as speed 1, speed 2. These two called as distance 2, time 2. Means speed 1 plus speed 2 is your average speed. Average speed. And next method is average speed. Average speed is equals to sum of distances. This method only we should write short form. Distance 1 plus distance 2 by time 1 plus time 2. This is another method. First we should do in this method, calculate the speed. Calculate the speed first. Calculate the speed. 30 minutes is the time. Means half an hour. 1 by 2 hour. Or 1 by 2 hour. 1 by 2 hour. Then distance is 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers by 1 by 2 hours is equals to 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 kilometers by hour, 1 hour is equals to 10 kilometers per hour. First, this is called as speed 1. This is called as speed 1. Next, speed 2. What is speed 2? Distance 7 kilometers by and time 40 minutes. 40. I have another formula. To convert the minutes to hours is, what is the 1 hour minute? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now we should do by 60 by 60. We have 40 minutes. Now 40. 40 by 60 means 0 0 cancel. 2s are 3s are. Means 2 by 3 hours. 2 by 3 hours. Then 3 goes to up. 7 kilometers. 7 into 3 kilometers by 2 is equals to 2 hours is equals to 21 kilometers per 2 hours. We want to got in kilometers. We want in 1 hour. 1 hour means 1 hour means 2 1 jar, 2 10 jar, 1 will remainder. 1 will remainder means 10 1 by 2 kilometer per hour. This is the calculation of speed. we got two speeds. First, speed 1 is 10 kilometers per hour. Next, speed 2 is 10.5 kilometers per hour. Of kilometers per hour. And again formula 1 by 2 is also called as 0.5. Means here we can convert 10. 1 by 2 is called as 0.5. Means here 0.5. 0.5 again formula 0.5 is equals to 0.5. And we put 0.5. There is 0.5. That means 0.5. We add 10.5. Again one formula 1.0 is equals to 1. Means 10.0 is equals to 10. Means 10. And again one place is enough. Means 10.0. The place is correctly set. Next 5 minus 0 is what? 5. Let's 5 plus 0, 5 and 20. 20.5 is the average speed of my dad. And second one is this method. Second one is this method. Distance one is what? 5 kilometers. And distance 2 is what? 7 kilometers. Time 1 is what? 30 minutes. Plus time 2 is 40 minutes. Next 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 by 30 plus 40 means 5 plus 7 is 12 kilometers and 30 plus 40 is the 70 hours. 70 minutes. 70 minutes means 70 minutes by 60 minutes. Minutes cancel, hours also. Hours will come 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. And remainder is 1. 6 1 by 6. Or we can write 7 by 6. That is easy method. 7 by 6. And next 12 into 7 by 6 is equals to 12 7s are is 84 by 6. 84 by 6. Now 6 1s are 6 2 will come. 2 will come 14. Why this 2 is different to that one also is what? 20.5. This one answer is 14. Anyways, you should do in that method only, 20.5 method only. You should do in 20.5 method. That is only correct method. This is the definitions, examples of the average speed. Now, 2 point not uniform speed. Uniform speed. What is an uniform speed? A uniform speed is in uniform. When you go to school, you wear uniform. Means that is strictly rule. Means that is a what is that is a paddhati, that is called. That is a rule. Means uniform speed also a rule. Like what? Rule like what? Means uniform means a car travels 20 kilometers in 1 hour. And a car starts here at 2 p.m., 2 p.m., 2 p.m., 1 p.m. and reached 20 kilometers at 2 p.m., 2 p.m. Here started at 1 p.m. and next 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers at 3 p.m. and 60 kilometers at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Means here first look first time and first distance. Means first time is what? 1 p.m. Means difference between 1 and 2 is 1. Difference between 2 and 3 is 1. Difference between 3 and 4 is 1. And next first distance 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers, 40 kilometers is 20. 40, 60 is 20. Means the differences between the interval is same. That is called as the speed. Uniform speed. Uniform speed. The difference between interval of a journey is equal is called as the uniform speed. Uniform speed. Now, what is the uniform speed? Is a difference between intervals of a journey is equal. Means we see at now only a car is going. Started at 1 p.m. 20 kilometers at 2 p.m. 40 kilometers at 3 p.m. 60 kilometers at 4 p.m. 50 next 80 kilometers at 5 p.m. and next 100 kilometers at 6 p.m. Now 6 p.m. Now the difference see 2 and 1 is 1. 2 and 3 is 1. 3 and 4 is 1. 4 and 5 is 1. 5 and 6 is 1. The difference is equal in time. And next 2. And next the distance. 20 kilometers. 20, 40, 20. 20, 40, 20. 40, 60, 20. 60, 80, 20. 60, 80, 120. Means here by means kilometer per hour. Means the speed of the car is 20 kilometer per hour. This is the uniform speed. This is the uniform speed. This is the uniform speed. And again, non-uniform speed. This is the definition of the non-uniform speed. The difference between an interval of a journey is not equal is called as non-uniform speed. Means a car goes to started at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Here goes to 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 40 kilometers. 3 p.m. 4 p.m. 60 kilometers, 5 p.m. 80 kilometers, and 7 p.m. 120 kilometers. This is uniform or non-uniform? Non-uniform means 1 2 is 1, 2 4 is 2, 4 5 is 1, 5 7 is 2. Here uniform means here 1, here 1, here 1. But here we have 2, 2, 1, 2. And again distance 40 kilometers. Okay. 20 kilometers. Okay. 20 kilometers. Okay. Here 80, 40 kilometers gap. This is in time and distance is not equal. Means that is called as the speed, non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. This is the non-uniform speed. This is a non-uniform speed. So, in this lesson, anybody has doubt, call to this phone number and ask. I will tell you. 8497996827. Call to this number and ask. I will tell you. Okay? First short answer is give some examples. Which tells difference between motion and rest. Write in below. Draw table. Draw one line middle. Motion. Rest. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 examples you can fit. First, a motion can move, can't move. And next, a vehicle can move. A tree can't move. A tree can't move. A human can move. Dustbin can't move. And next, valleys can move. TV can't move. Next, air can move. Rocks can't move. And next, rainfalls can move. But chair can't move. Difference is motion and rest. Motion can move. Rest can't move. Vehicle can move. A tree can't move. Human can move. Dustbins can't move. Valley can move. TV can't move. Air can move. Rocks can't move. Rainfall can move. Chair some examples of the motions which tells the differentiation between motion and rest. Now, the types of motion and how many are there. That is, name the types of motion. How many types it is? Translatory, motion. Translatory motion. Second one, circular, not so. Rotatory motion. Rotatory motion. Third one, circular motion. Fourth one, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Fifth one, vibratory motion. Sixth one is periodic motion. Seventh one is non-periodic motion. Periodic motion. Eighth one, rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. Ninth one is rectilinear and curvilinear motion. This is our video. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. 9 types of motions are there. So today's video is this. Now this is our chapter. The upcoming chapter is energy. Upcoming chapter is energy. Upcoming chapter is energy.